Hi, and welcome to the Quick and Easy Meals channel. On this channel, we make suggestions of quick and easy meals that the average person can make. And today we will be making a two-step Beefy Taco Joe's. Just 2 steps. Stay tuned. For the ingredients for our two-step Beefy Taco Joe's, we are going to need 1 can of tomato soup, a cup of salsa, any flavor. There's multiple flavors. Any flavor that works for you works for me. We'll need a 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese and a pound of ground round beef. It doesn't have to be organic. And of course, we'll use some sandwich rolls. All right, so now once you get your ingredients together, we'll get ready to ground up the beef and get started. Okay, now that you're ready to cook your hamburger, you can select whatever pan you want to use. Doesn't have to be a pan with deep sides like this, but I tend to get sloppy, so I just want to get deep sides, but you can use a saucepan or whatever you feel is best. We'll let this cook and then we'll chop it up and get it all crumbled up. You can also add some salt and pepper to your liking. Once we get that hamburger cooking, and the better the meat, the less juices you have. We may have to drain this, get it all scrambled up. Okay, if you use a high grade of meat, you may not have a lot of juices, which is good. You won't have to worry about draining it. And now that you've prepared your hamburger, we add the tomato soup and get that all stirred in there. Tomato soup kind of mix in there for 2 or 3 minutes before you add the salsa. And I think we're just about ready to add some salsa. And now we'll let this cook for about another 5 minutes. Get that all stirred in there. After it has cooked for about 5 to 10 minutes, then it's ready to serve. So let's get ready to take a seat at the table. And there you go, another quick and easy meal. You add the cheese right when you take it out of off the stove, let it melt. There you have it. A nice, quick and easy meal. Time to enjoy. Take your seat at the table. Thank you for watching the Quick and Easy Meals channel. I hope some of our suggestions for quick and easy meals will help the average person make a quick and easy meal when they need to. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and if you have time, like and share.